Not sure what to expect from walking in the Cotswolds? I'm Andrew Guppy from Cotswold Walks, and in this video I'll answer some of the practical questions that people ask us, from the terrain to your fitness levels and to what kit you might need to bring with you.
How physically demanding are the walks?
We like to feel that with our customised tours we can suit the walking to all abilities. Cotswolds is often considered the walking capital of England, and we think there are walks to suit all abilities, and we'll do our very best to make those suitable for you. Please be honest with yourself. Let us know what you can and can't achieve. We always find that clients perhaps try and pack too much into one particular day. The country may be small, but there's a lot to see in a small area. The walks and the terrain are gentle, in as much as you probably won't have more than 200 or 300 meters of ascent in any one day. So please let us know what you feel comfortable with, and we'll make sure we can plan the walk accordingly.
What kind of terrain should people expect?
So in terms of the terrain that you should expect, I would say it's gentle rolling hills, open grassland. The trails themselves are normally very visible and easy to follow. It can be uneven underfoot. My personal advice would always be to bring a pair of walking boots. The reason for that is it's going to give you ankle support, and hopefully they're waterproof and you've got good grip. Obviously, this is England, so the weather can change at any point. If you're prepared, that's perfect. Always have the kit in your bag in terms of a waterproof jacket or coat. Hopefully you'll never need it, but you can bet if you don't have it, it will be rain all the way.
What's the best time of year to visit?
What's the best time of year to visit? You can really look at that in two ways. Are we talking about the weather, or are we talking about the crowds? In terms of the weather, obviously May, June, July and August tend to be the hottest months. April and September tend to be cooler. So come when you have a preference for the heat that you feel you can manage. If you want the flora and fauna, I would definitely say June. If you want the early spring flowers and the lambs in the field, then perhaps May might be better. But they will be the busier months, May and June, and then September, and in that order. I wouldn't worry whatever month you choose to visit, because once you get out of the villages, it's amazing how few people you actually meet. That sense of freedom that you can enjoy, mindfulness, you'll probably meet more people walking their dog than you will perhaps fellow walkers. So never worry about the time of year, because the trails themselves will not be crowded.
What kit do guests really need to bring?
In terms of the kit you need to bring, we do have a full kit list which we provide in our pre-tour information, which is free to everyone that wants to make an inquiry with us. I would suggest a proper pair of walking boots. The reason being, they give you ankle support, they're waterproof, they have good grip. The ground can be uneven. Obviously the grass will grow up over the summer months, but the cattle that have grazed and indented in the soil can cause undulations that are not always visible. Obviously bring a sun hat. Believe it or not, the sun does shine in the UK and in the Cotswolds. A sun hat, sun cream, a backpack to store your waterproof jacket, which hopefully you'll never need, a water bottle. It's important to stay hydrated. If you are bringing a pair of walking boots, often people say, well, they're heavy and they're clumsy and they take up a lot of space. My personal tip would be to wear your walking boots on you, on the plane, and then take them off, have a comfy pair of socks, and then it hasn't taken up excess space in your luggage and the weight. And heaven forbid, if your luggage was to be delayed, that wouldn't impact the start of your tour. You could set off and have all the important equipment with you. We also hire out walking poles, so if you're not able to fit them into your luggage, don't worry, just let us know in advance and we can get them delivered to your first night's accommodation. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us through the Cotswold Walks website or call us directly, and we'd be happy to plan and customize a trip to suit your needs.